Hello friends, so we all know that wearing mask is not going to go away that soon. So is the mask acne which comes with it. These are small acne-like lesions or acne which is present around the mouth and nose, especially the area which is covered beneath the mask. So what happens is when you wear a mask, there's a lot of friction between your skin and the mask surface, which leads to irritation, and there's a lot of accumulation of sweat, sebum, dirt, dust, etc. leads to acneiform eruptions. Moreover, the breath which comes out and the salivary secretions are all trapped beneath your mask. So you cannot remove them, and the bacterial colonization increases in that area, leading to more amount of inflammation. So what you can do to prevent this is having a very good skincare regimen, which includes a good mild cleanser or a face wash. You should go do a decent amount of exfoliation 2 to 3 times a week. You can even use mild exfoliating creams containing alpha and beta hydroxy acids. Always use a good moisturizer, which is used preferably a gel based beneath your mask, which may contain substances like hyaluronic acid or ceramides. Always use a sunscreen, but use the sunscreen which is silicone based or gel based again. Please don't go for creamy sunscreen beneath your masks. Avoid any sort of heavy makeup, any foundation, because they will definitely increase your eruptions. Moreover, use a good mouthwash which has a good antibacterial activity, so that the bacteria in your oral cavity doesn't get trapped beneath the mask and leads to inflammation. You can always get a anti-acne regimen from your dermatologist, which can contain some retinoids or antibiotics, which should be used in a right way so that there is no disruption of skin barrier, there is no dryness or extra sensitivity, which can further aggravate your acne if not taken care of properly. So always consult before you start the anti-acne therapy, especially for your mask acne. And nighttime, again, use mild moisturizers. And moreover, when you're using a mask, make sure that you use a clean mask every time you step out. If you have a long duty shift or you have to wear your mask for the whole day, you can change it every 5 to 6 hours. Prefer to layer the first layer of masking with a cotton mask, because that is more skin friendly as compared to the N95 or the regular disposable mask. You can always put one more mask which can be disposable or N95 on top of your cotton mask. So that's it about mask acne. If you are suffering from it, it can definitely be treated and brought under control with right regimen and right medicines. Thank you.